Humanitarian response to COVID-19 in Togo. Our results are based on the design and evaluation of Novici, a flagship emergency social assistance program carried out in Togo. The government of Togo launched Novici in April 2020, shortly after the first cases of COVID-19 appeared in the country. As economic lockdown orders forced many Togolese to stop working and led to widespread food insecurity. Supplementary Figure 1. Novici aimed to provide subsistence cash relief to those most affected. See novici.gouv.tg/. Eligible beneficiaries received bi-weekly payments of roughly $10 in an effort to minimize in-person contact. Novici enrollment and payments were implemented digitally. Beneficiaries registered using their mobile phones and transfers were made via mobile money. Full details on the Novici program are provided in methods. The COVID-19 pandemic in Togo. When the government first launched Novici, it did not have a traditional social registry that could be used to assess program eligibility, and did not have the time or the resources to build such a registry in the middle of the pandemic. The most recent census, which was completed in 2011, did not contain information on household wealth or poverty. More recent national surveys on living standards only contacted a small fraction of all households. Methods to COVID-19 pandemic in Togo. Instead, eligibility for Novici was determined on the basis of data contained in a national voter registry that had been updated in late 2019. Specifically, benefits were initially dispersed to individuals who met three criteria. 1. Self-targeted by dialing into the Novici platform and entering basic information from their mobile phone. 2. Registered to vote in specific regions. The program initially focused on the greater Lome region around the capital city. And 3. Self-declared to work in an informal occupation in their voter registration. The decision to target informal occupations helped prioritize benefits to people who were forced to stop working at the onset of the crisis. However, this approach does not necessarily target benefits to the poorest households in the country. Supplementary Figure 2. Our research efforts focused on helping the government expand the Novici program from informal workers in Greater Lome to poor individuals in rural regions of the country, and were designed to meet the government's two stated policy objectives. First, to direct benefits to the poorest geographic regions of the country, and second, to prioritize benefits to the poorest mobile subscribers in those regions. Individuals without access to a mobile phone could not receive Novici payments, which were delivered digitally using mobile money. See methods, program exclusions for details. The approach we developed, which uses machine learning to analyze non-traditional data from satellites and mobile phone networks, has two distinct steps. Extended Data Figure 1.